Welcome to Linux Help. Today we'll see about how to configure and test RAID 0 on Linux Mint 20. RAID, Redundant Array of Independent Disk, is a data storage visualization technology that combines multiple physical disk drive components into a single logical unit for the purpose of data redundancy performance improvement. The concept of RAID 0 is the data are split and stored in a drives. If the data from one drive is corrupted, then the entire data will be loose. In this tutorial, we'll cover to configure and test RAID 0 on Linux Mint 20. First, I am check the version of my Linux Mint OS. My Linux Mint version is 20. Now, list the disk. Here I have to create the partitions of SDB and SDC disks. For that, press N to create a partition. Press P to partition type. Enter the size of the partitions. Here I am giving 1 GB. Now I am change the partition type. For that, press T. Here the RAID code is FD. Write the partition. Press W. The same way I am going to follow to create a SDC partition. The partition is created. Now list the disk. Here the SDB1 and SDC1 partition is created. Once the partition is created, now I am going to create a RAID by using following command. Here the RAID directory is start from MD. Press -L to select the RAID. N to select the partitions. Here I am using two partitions. The RAID is created. Now I am going to format the RAID. The RAID is formatted. Now I am check the details of RAID. Here the RAID level is 0. Here I am using two drives, SDB1 and SDC1. Now I am create a directory for mount the RAID. Now mount the RAID to directory. The RAID is mounted. Now I'll edit the fstab file for permanent mounting. For that I am copying from mtab. Here I am paste the permanent mounting. Right and quit the file. Now I am list the drive. Here you can see RAID is mounted on the disk. Now I am list the file. Here you can lost found. That means the RAID is configured successfully and RAID is running. Here I will add some files. This is the file. The files are added. First I am get away from the directory and unmount the directory. The directory is unmount. Now fail the drive. Here I am going to fail the SDB1 drive. Now I am command the fsstep file. Write and quit the file. Now restart the system using init command. The system is restarted. Now enter into the directory. This is the file. Here the files is corrupted because of the drive is failed. This is the method how to configure and test RAID 0 on Linux Mint 20. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com. Thank you.